Hey everybody and welcome back. If you want to change your WhatsApp writing style, in today's video we are providing you with a guide for that. So let's just dive right in into the video. So you can open up WhatsApp and we can use the built-in formatting option for that. So you can just go over and change the style of the text within the message, not the overall font. So go to a chat, and once you are headed over to chat, you can just go over and use use symbols. So there are different symbols. You can just go over and change it. For example, if you want to type in a bold text, you can just go over and type in asterisk. So you can find the asterisk sign, and there just go over and type in your text. For example, hi, I would like to type this, and hit send, and you can see the changes being applied directly. Similarly, if you would like to type in italic, you can just go over and type in space. You can just go over and type in underscore and then the text that you're trying to upload, and then underscore again and hit send, and you should be finding the changes being applied once again. And if you want to apply strike through, we have a tilde. So for that, you can find the tilde sign, this one right here, and type in the text, and again type in, like in between you need to do it, and hit send, and you should be finding the changes being applied. You can just go over and follow up these methods. Apart from that, what you may do is you can use your phone settings. So go to settings for that, and look out for display option. Scroll down, find display, and within display you can look out for font size and style and tap on it. And there you can tap on font style, and there you can enable the font from the list or download more. You can tap on download and download it up and change it up, and even turn on this option for bold font. And when you do, you'll be finding the WhatsApp writing style, including the whole device's style, being changed in the text that you're trying to apply. And that's it. So usually this is how you do it. You may follow this method for that. We hope this video was helpful. Please give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.